Okay, wind up, Luca. Wind up and throw it. Oh! Go get it. Get your ball. It's over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're going to sit under your high chair? Come here. Your ball's over here. Come here. Where you going? You don't know? Oh, you found Daddy's sponge, huh? Bring it here. Bring it to Mommy. Oh, good wind up. Good wind up. Oh. You're gonna throw it away? Good boy. Good boy. Where's your ball? Where's your ball, Luca? It's over here. Your ball's over here. Look it. Your ball's over here. Wind up. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Go get it. Go get it. Where'd it go? There it is. Get it, Luca. Now wind up. Wind up and pitch it. Get it. Wind up. See ya. See ya, Luca.